Hello, good day. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. Guys, today I'm going to make some delicious stew peas and I want to share it with you. All right, let's start, guys.
So this is what I'm going to use to make my stew peas. All right. If you want, guys, you can use the salt beef. I'm using the fresh one. All right, I'm using the fresh one today. I have two nice pieces of beef here, and then I have some pig tail here. I'm gonna cut it up. Sometimes you can ask them to cut it up for you if you buy it at the meat market. You can ask them to cut it up, but I'm gonna cut it up, okay? And then I'm gonna use some red peas, okay? I'm gonna use some pimento, and I'm gonna use some minced garlic. All right, I will show you the rest of season once this cook, and I'm going to season my pot. So now I'm gonna just cut it up. All right. For this, you're gonna definitely need a chopper for this. All right, for the pig's tail, you're gonna need a chopper for the pig's tail. I'm gonna cut it like this. I'm not gonna cut it too fine. Not too fine. I like this, looks so nice and fresh. Yeah, looks so nice and fresh. Look at that, nice and fresh. My husband been feeling for stew peas, so I'm making the stew peas for my husband. Guys, he been feeling for some stew peas, so I'm making this for him. All right, so now we're gonna chop up our pig's tail. So now we're gonna chop up our pig's tail. All right. So you're definitely gonna need a chopper. This is my chopper. I use this uneven trap meat. Cut meat, should I say? Okay. You're definitely gonna need, because this part is the bony part. See that? All bone. So this wouldn't work for me. This wouldn't work for me. I need something to, chop it. You see that? Yep. Nice and smooth. Yep. Here it is. And don't worry about the size. You can cut it up any size you want. You just don't want to do it big. Don't want to put it in the pot like this. That's a no-no. Okay. Look at that. Ooh, so nice and fresh. Look at that. Ooh. Guys, so nice and fresh. This part is not too hard. A little bone, but not. Alright, guys, so I finished chopping up my meat. It's my meat, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash my peas. Okay, I'm gonna wash my peas. I have a dish here that I love to wash my peas in this, Any dirt in my peas. This is the pasta bowl, run out the pasta bowl. So I like to wash my my peas in this. Drop this in my pot. Alright. I'm going to fill it with water. The peas take a long time. Okay? It will take a long time to cook. And guys, with your pigtail, if your pigtail is salty, you want to scald out your pigtail before you put it in your pot, okay? This is not the salty one, so I can put the pigtail and the beef together because it's not salty. But if it's salty, you definitely want to scald it off before you put it in your pot. Because if you don't scald it off, what happens is, once you put it in your pot and it's out of cook, your food will be very, very salty. You don't want that, okay? Alright, so now I'm washing my meat. And as I told you before, pigtail. This is not the salty one. So I can put it in my pot like this. But if it's salt, you know, I want you to scald it off. Because if you don't, you're going to have a problem. Your soup will be salt. Okay? And if you buy the salt beef, scald it off first too. Okay? Because both of them salt and you put them in the pot like that, your food will be salty. And you don't want that. And there are none of these is salty because that's good for me. So I can add my salt and, you know, my seasoning so on. And so now I'm just going to put this in my pot with my peas and, you know, leave it there to cook. Sometimes, you know, this will take like, depends. If the peas soft, maybe 40 minutes, maybe an hour. You know, sometimes the beef will cook. You know, I don't worry about the pigtail too much. The peas is the most, you know, one that I worry about. You know, peas is tough. Alright. Put everything in my pot. And then I'm gonna put some minced garlic and some pimento. Remember? I showed you the minced garlic and the pimento. So I'm gonna wash my pimento and put some pimento. So this is my pimento. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my minced garlic. All right. So there is my minced garlic. So I'm gonna put some minced garlic. I'm gonna put a good spoon in it. Here it is. Just put it all over it. And remember, it don't have any salt, so I definitely want to add some salt. Because there is no salt in my pigtail or my beef. It's not salt beef, so I definitely want to add some salt. Alright? For the taste. I'm going to leave that to cook and get right back to you. Alright? See you shortly. Okay, so my soup is looking so good. The meat is cooked and the peas cooked. So now I'm going to season it up. Alright? So this is the seasoning I'm going to use. Alright, so this is the season I'm going to use off of this time. A bunch of scallion I have here, pepper, and I have some coconut here. I have some black pepper. I have some jerk season. If you don't want to use the jerk season, use the all-purpose season. But I like to use the jerk season in my stew peas. It makes it taste really delicious. I'm going to use a pinch of salt because I already put a little salt in it. Right now I'm just washing the scallion and washing my thyme. Nice bundle of thyme. And I'm going to put these in my stew peas. And wring out that nice juice. Right in my stew peas. I'm going to put my to use the Ken one or the Bax one, okay? This is the Bax one. I like to use the Bax one because I just use a little bit. I just squeeze a little bit in it. I like to use the Bax one. I just squeeze a little bit. So I love to use the Bax one. Or you can choose to use the Ken one. You don't have to put a lot, just a little bit. You know the coconut give it a nice flavor and a nice taste. Melon. So now I'm going to put a pinch of black pepper and I'm going to put my jerk season. As I told you before, you can choose to use the jerk season, or you can choose to use your all-purpose season. All right, but I like to use this. Then I'm gonna just pinch a little salt. So remember, the meat don't really have salt. I don't want salt. So the jerk season having salt. So you know this is gonna taste yummy. I can't wait. Mama, I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna put a little piece of pepper. Wash my pepper. Piece of pepper. Piece of pepper. Enough. A little piece of this pepper. Alright. Guys, a little piece of pepper. Like that. Woo. Guys, if you have some Jamaican sea salt, ooh, I don't have to use it. So my stew piece is finished, ready to eat. You can eat this with anything, some white rice, if you want some caramel dumpling, you know, anything your heart desires. I'm gonna eat mine with some white rice. I'm gonna dish it and show you the finished product. All right? So this is the complete meal, looking so delicious, ready to eat. If you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, you know, leave me a comment, share if you like, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.